Hi, welcome to Villa Vista Way. I'm Frank Del Rio with Coldwell Banker. Come inside. This house was built in 1978 and we're standing in the formal living room. The property itself has over 3,600 square feet of very ample living space. You've got 5 bedrooms. One of those bedrooms is downstairs. Could be used as a guest quarters. You could use it as an office. I mean, a lot of possibilities with that bedroom. And then you've got 4.5 bathrooms. Being here in the living room space, what I love about it is how open it is, how big, how tall the ceilings are. I'm 6'4". These are tall ceilings. You've got the wood beams, the brick fireplace. There's 2 brick fireplaces on this property. One of my favorite things about this home is the fact that it was owned by the original owner from 1978. Here it is, 2020, and you're getting a blank canvas for yourself. But that's not the norm for most of these style of properties. You have to come in, you have to fall in love with the upgrades that they did, and then you most likely are paying a premium for that, but then you know you're gonna come in and redo the whole place. That's not the case here. You have so many options. And just picture this living room space, because not everybody does the formal sitting living room anymore. A lot of people turn this into an entertaining area. You have kids, this could be another playroom. I mean, here we've got a piano. You've got a nice view outside of your backyard. You can knock this window down, put an 8-foot slider, then you have another access point outside. A lot of people do the indoor, outdoor entertaining. So many options here with the property, and that's why I love it. And we mosey on over to the dining room. Watch the step. I've already fallen twice, but that's for the blooper reel. You can fit an 8 to 12 people at this dining room table or your own. There's another window that leads outside to the backyard. You can also customize it, put your own 8-foot slider in there as well, so you have another access point outside. On the other side of this wall is the kitchen, which I'll show you in a second. But what I want you to see is just the openness of the space from the living room down here to the dining room to the living room. You know where I'm going. A lot of space in this property. This 3,600 square foot home is set up so nicely, you really feel like you're in a 4,000 square foot home. Coming to the kitchen. So our kitchen, although original, has a lot of potential. We can knock this wall down, this cabinet. Now you have an open view out to your family room. You can create a center island, bring the stove over, and just have a real nice open concept, all the while having a gorgeous view of your grounds, seeing the kids play outside in the pool, in the spa, or just horsing around, or just enjoy your view in the morning with a cup of coffee. The possibilities are limitless here. I love this kitchen space. Come over here. We've got the breakfast nook area that does have the slider right outside, and then it opens up to your family room. Now, a lot of people, what they do is they get rid of this banister here. Remember the step, and it just makes it more of an open space. You've got the wet bar for entertaining. You can do so many fun things with that area too. And then consistency. More wood beams, high ceilings, open space. I mean, just look around. You've got the other fireplace. I mean, you could just sit here in your family room, kids, the wife, friends, family, and enjoy good times. But it's great because you can make it your own. Now, next to the wet bar, it connects over to your laundry room, and you have another bathroom out there that leads outside, which is ideal when you're having parties and you have a pool and you don't want kids or family bringing in the wet stuff from the outside into your dining room or into your family room area. So a lot of possibilities again. Let's go upstairs. Are you ready to come upstairs? We've got 4 bedrooms up here, 3 bathrooms. Look at the space we're working with here. It's really wide, so you can fit any piece of furniture you need up here. More importantly, below the staircase is a closet. You can retrofit that with your own wine cellar. We've seen people turn it into a little doggy palace there for their loved ones, of course their pet loved ones. And then you got a downstairs powder room. So a lot of options with this property. Get up here and take a look at the rest. The bedrooms are super spacious. That's really what you get with these older homes that were built in the 70s. Each bedroom has plenty of room. 2 of them have walk-in closets. You've got your dual vanity bathroom here, another bathroom this way. Here's a nice big storage closet. Oh, look what we have here. Doesn't get more authentic than this, okay? People pay extra for these type of gadgets and upgrades in your home, but not you. We're gonna make sure we take good care of you with this property. Take a look at the master. It's huge, okay? You've got so much space in here. Don't worry about the furniture. That's gonna be all gone when you move in. You've got a balcony view, which is great to see over your grounds or get the nighttime sunset. It's a beautiful spot. And in your master bathroom, you're gonna love it. Check this out. The one thing people always talk to me about when we're helping them buy and sell properties is I want to have a huge master bathroom and a big closet so I can have my full wardrobe, both husband and wife. You can do that here with this space. Look at this walk-in closet. I mean, you can customize it however you want, and then you walk right in with the double doors to what will become your spa sanctuary. You've got the traditional style tub from the 70s, but here's what I want you to envision in this space. If you're not gonna keep the vintage tub or koi pond, you can turn this into a big walk-in shower stall. You can do a couple of things. You can actually put a tub in here and then shower space here. You can turn it into a steam room. On the other side of this wall here, you can put a bidet, you can have your toilet, you have another stand-up shower, but you can retrofit that into a few other items. So a lot of fun can be had here with this space. The ideas are endless. Enjoy. You've seen the upstairs, you've seen the downstairs. Are you ready to take it outside and see why everybody's so excited about this property? Let's go. We're finally here, guys. We're outside. You're sitting on over 3 acres of land, which I believe happen to be one of the last largest parcels for sale in all of Villa Park. You've got your pool, you've got your spa, you've got a fire pit right behind me here. I hope I don't trip on it. And then that structure, that's a little over 1,000 square feet. It's a detached, permitted workshop. It's got gas, electricity, water, it's sewered. It's perfect to turn it into a casita, a pool house, a guest house. The possibilities are endless. And then look at the rest of the land. You've got 5 avocado trees. You've got navel orange, tangelo, mandarin, Meyer lemon. Come inside. There's so much you could do with this space out here. And if you don't want the fruit, sell it. Most of the property, the land itself right now is being used as a nursery, so you have income coming in already. The grounds here, the possibilities are endless. With over 3 acres, you have the nursery that's currently being leased out, and so you have income coming in for that property. You can have livestock, you can have horses. The possibilities are really endless. You want to have your own multi-use sports setups? You can do it. You can have a soccer field, a baseball field, tennis courts, putting or chipping greens. All those amenities you can create here on your land. Here's some things you also need to know. You are closest to all the best schools in Villa Park. You're a couple of minutes away from Orange Lutheran. You're about 10-15 minutes from the Orange County beaches. Shopping, entertainment, it's all available to you here living in the hidden jewel of Orange County, Villa Park. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this 5-bedroom, 4-bath home, 3,000 plus square feet, plus the 1,000 square foot garage on 3 acres. We've got to go sell this property, and I hope I'm selling it to you. Take care.